Hello, sir. What's your name?
My name, Yunino Chanchis.
And where do you live?
37.
35. Very good. Oh, what's your father's name?
Pablo.
70.
70?
77.
How old are you?
And how old are you?
1990.
And where your birthplace?
Oh.
Dilagid.
Sir, what's your name?
Ay, dilagid.
Kira ka dyan,
And where, how your, birthplace? Where your birthplace?
1972.
And how tall are you? How tall are you?
There.
Are you Filipino citizen?
72.
And 2 times 6. 2 times 6.
Trisikan.
Driver sa Bro. Hindi man naman siguro.
Ha?
Hindi man naman siguro.
And what's your mother's name? What's your mother's name, sir?
Bakoy ka.
Bakoyangan. And
Man, in this Paris school.
graduated in? Are you graduated in?
No, Bakoyangan.
Bakoyangan? Bakoyangan what?
Basket.
And what's your brother's name?
Your... Four.
Huh? And
Interviewan na lang sa'yo, yari sa'yo.
What the color of your dress? Look in the camera, look.
Wala ko. Grade 4 lang ko.
Are you gay?
Oh.
Are you gay?
Yes, eh.
That's cute. Have you sex with Kakang? How times?
How times?
Gibuli mo si Kakang?
No.
What is your... Sino nga laki mong asawa?
No, I know.
No wife? Only gay? Huh? Have you fucked with a dog? Huh?
Yes.
Have you fucked with a dog?
Yes.
Yes? How times?
No.
No, man. How times?
Four.
No.
Always, you gotta be with me. Ano pamisikan? Sa pamisikan sa.
Na time sa ako.
Ano ba binaile niyo?
Oh, Ruben Padilla, ba? Ruben Padilla. Ano?
Pare. Ano atin diyan? Ruben, pare Ruben, ano atin diyan?
Saudi mo.
Ano?
Saudi.
Ano sabi mo pare?
Sabi mo.
Sabihin ng ano? Ano sabihin ko?
Biker, ano?
Ito, sayaw ka. Ito.
Sa naman, hindi naman kanta.
Yeah, come on, baby, yeah.
Ara.
Lower. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Passing your song.
Saan ba yun?
Eh, sa kasunod na siya mayo ah.
Ano?
Oh, time up.